Hello friends, in the previous video we had discussed about the quadratic equation questions, that means the factorization. I already discussed about how to find the factors. So again let us discuss deeply the simultaneous linear equation, that is a simultaneous linear equation, quadratic equation. So how do you find the simultaneous linear equation, quadratic equation? So quadratic equation, so before taking us what the linear equation and quadratic equation, let us take in a polynomial. So what is a polynomial term here? So it is the simultaneous linear equation and quadratic equation. Okay, what is a polynomial equation? The polynomial equation, it is in the form of it is denoted by f of x or g of x or anything. F of x is equal to let us take a very simple way. There is a naught x to the power of 0 plus a1 x to the power of 1 plus a2 x to the power of 2 plus a3 x to the power of 3 plus etc. plus an x to the power of n, where a naught, a1, a2 etc. n. So the coefficient of x to the power of 0, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 3 etc. Those are constant. Those are any real numbers. Real numbers is nothing but constant. Real numbers. And what is the definition of polynomial here? Polynomial. The polynomial, the expression containing variables, constant and sign. And the most important thing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last one is n. N value should be whole numbers. N value should be whole numbers. Whole numbers are non-negative real numbers. Non-negative real numbers is nothing but it should be positive. It should be what? Positive. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The degree should be in the positive. Then only it is the polynomial. So that again, types of polynomials are the first one is the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So what is a linear polynomial? Then how do you define the linear polynomial? The linear polynomial is defined as the degree, the highest degree should be in the what? 1, that is equal to 0. So ax to the power 1 plus b, that is equal to 0. It is linear equation in one variable. There is only one variable. In this case, a is not equal to 0. Okay? And a and b are the constant. The next one, quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay? So what is a quadratic polynomial? The quadratic polynomial is defined as ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. So many methods are there to find the x value, the splitting the middle term and x value. The most important thing is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have to know this formula to finding the what? Factors. One of the important formula, minus b and a, b, c, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And cubic equation, the next one is cubic equation. That is cubic equation or cubic polynomial. Okay. So what is a cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and that is equal to 0. In this case, we are getting the only one solution. We are getting the what? Only one solution. If highest degree is 1, we are getting the only one solution. If highest degree is 2, hence it is two solutions. Two solutions. How many solutions? Two solutions. So what is highest degree? Highest degree is 1 in a linear equation. Highest degree is 2 in a quadratic equation. In this case, there are 3 solutions. How many solutions we are getting in a cubic equation? 3 solutions. What is the highest degree? Highest degree is 1 in a linear equation. Highest degree is 2 in a quadratic equation. Highest degree is 3 in a linear equation. This is what quadratic equation, and more than 3. The more than 3, it is nothing but biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial is nothing but more than 3. This is what example, f of x. F of x is equal to same example. We have to write here. So this is what a biquadratic polynomial. Okay. So now let us start the simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation, you just observe here is only one variable is x. Here it's only one variable x. Here also only one variable. Two variables they'll ask. Before that, you just pause the video and write it on all the steps. We'll move on to the simultaneous linear equation. Yes, simultaneous linear equation. So let us take the linear equation. The first one is linear equation in one variable. One variable. So what is a linear equation in one variable? The linear equation in one variable is nothing but, so there is a 3x plus 4 and that is equal to 0. There is only one variable. Here we can easily find the x value. What is the x value you are getting here? The x value, take the 4 to the right side, hence 3x is equal to minus 4. Take a 3 to the right side, x is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. Yes, this is what a solution. Only one solution. If it is, there is a 4y plus 8 and that is equal to 0. What is the answer you are getting here? Take a 8 to the right side, constant to the right side, hence 4y is equal to minus 8. Take a 4 to the right side, y is equal to minus 8 divided by 4 and 2. So y is equal to minus 2 is the required answer. This is about the linear equation one variable. But if it is two variable, this is what linear equation one variable. In the next one, linear equation in two variables. This is what a simultaneous linear equation. So two variables. There's, for example, the first equation is ax plus by and that is equal to c, constant. So there is x variable and y variable. Okay, this is what a linear equation in two variables. Say for example, but in this case, a and b both are constant and c is also one of the constant. The coefficient of x is a, the coefficient of y is b. Let us take the first question here. The first question, solve. Let us take two linear equation. Solve 3x plus 4y and that is equal to 4 and 6x plus 4y and that is equal to 8. So here we can easily find the x value and the another question y value. Here there are given the two linear equation. Is it possible to find the x value, y value? Yes, we can easily find the x value, y value. How? Look at the board carefully. In this case, before solving this question, let us take two easy question first. Second question here. So solve x minus y and that is equal to 4 and x plus y and that is equal to what? 8. So whatever it is, I'll take 8 here. Then how do you find the x value and y value? So in this case, the solution, look at the board carefully. Let me solve very easiest method. So many methods are there, using the substitution method, elimination method, so many methods. Out of that, I'll choose any one method. It's a very easy method. X minus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 4. You just write on the x minus y is equal to 4 as it is. Take a second equation. Second equation, there is an x variable. Write on the below. When you are writing the x, write on the below of that first equation. There is a x and there is a plus, minus and plus and y. And that is equal to 8. Okay. In this case, so there is a plus y and there is a minus y. You just cancel it. X plus x, as you know, addition of two elements. X plus x, there is a 2 times of x and that is equal to 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8, that is equal to 12. Take a 2 to the right side. Hence, that is a 2x is equal to 12. Take a 2 to the right side, x is equal to 12 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2 6 are. Hence the x value is what? 6. If x value is 6, you just substitute the any one equation to the equation 1 or 2. So let us choose the equation number 1. So let us call this the equation number 1, equation number 2. Hence equation 1, x minus y is equal to 4. As you know the equation number 1, there's a x is equal to 6. X 6 minus y and that is equal to 4. Take a y to the left side and right side and take a 4 to the left side. So 6 minus 4 is equal to y, then it is 6 minus 4 is nothing but that is a 2 is equal to y. So hence the value of y is 2. So if you substitute the x value and y value here, there is a x value is 6, 6 minus 2, y value is 2, 6 minus 2, exactly we are getting the 4. And in this case, second equation, so x value is a 6, 6 plus 2, that is a 8. Yes, this is what a simultaneous linear equation in two variables. So there is one more example here, 3x plus 4y that is equal to 4, 6x plus 4y that is equal to 8. Similarly, you just choose what? Any one variable. You just match the one variable. There is a 4x and 4y and 4y. Yes, it is the same. Hence, there is a plus and plus. We can't cancel the what? We can't cancel the any one variable. Hence, you just change the sign. If it is plus, make it a minus. If it is plus, make it is minus. If it is plus 8, make it is minus 8. Hence, plus 4y minus 4y get cancelled. So plus 3x minus 6y. We have to choose a not plus 6x. We have to choose a minus 6x. Plus 3x minus 6x is nothing but plus into minus minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Greater number symbol is minus. Hence, minus 3x. This y term get cancelled. Is equal to 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 minus 4. Correct? Take a minus 3 to the right side. X is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 3. Hence, the value minus get cancelled. 4 divided by 3. Then how do you find the what? Y value? Too simple. Choose any one equation. So equation 1 is nothing but there is a 3x plus 4y and that is equal to 4. You just choosing the first equation. Substitute the x value 3 into 4 divided by 3. Correct? 3 into 4. X value is a 3 divided by 4. Substitute in the place of x is a 4 by 3. Write down the 4y as it is and that is equal to 4. Yes. And we can cancel the numerator, denominator is 3, remaining is 4. Take a 4 to the right side. Hence 4y is equal to 4. 4 is as it is, remaining is 4. If you are taking 4, minus 4. Hence 4y is equal to 4 minus 4 is a 0 and y is equal to 0 divided by 4. 0 divided by 4, hence is nothing but y is equal to 0 divided by any number, the answer is 0. Hence y value is 0. Note this point. 0 by any numbers. 0 by any number, the answer is always 0. Okay, 0 by any number. And any number, note this point, important point. Any number divided by 0, we can't define that number. Not define R infinity. Okay, not define R, we can call it as a infinity. 0 by 4 is nothing but it's a 0. This is what simultaneous linear equation. So for the quadratic equation, you just watch the previous video, that is a factorization. We'll get a quadratic equation. How to find the factors of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation standard form, and this is what are problems. Thank you.